How to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just open your browser and then click these 3 points here, go to history. Now just clear data and then unselect cookies, and that's it, and unselect all of those, and then select browsing history and select all time and click clear data, and that's it. After that, just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do just right click here, task manager. Now just right click on your browser and click end task, and that's it. Then just open it again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.